Welcome to Dave's Daily Crypto Take. Today is Monday, July 26th, 2021. Let's take a look at today's charts. At number one, we got BTC at $38,418.57, up 11.94%. Ethereum at number two, $2,337.75, up 8.64%. Tether at number three, $1. Binance Coin at number four, $318.30, up 6.52%. Cardano at number five, $1.34, up 9.83%. XRP number six, 65 cents, up 9.7%. Dogecoin at number seven, 22 cents, up 13.10%. USD coin number eight, $1. Polkadot at number nine, $14.72. And rounding out at number 10, Binance USD, $1. Let's take a look at the crypto fear and greed index. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So right now, fear 26, and yesterday was fear at 27. Last week was extreme fear at 24, and last month was extreme fear at 20. So today is going to be a quick one. We got 5 articles today, and let's take a look at the table of contents. Article 1 is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin bounce back, but these minor coins are striking biggest gains. Article 2, Uniswap, we have taken the decision to restrict access to certain tokens. Article number 3, one of China's first Bitcoin moguls thinks Chinese crypto trading will soon be a thing of the past. Article number 4, Bitcoin and Ether climb to recent price peaks as Amazon crypto rumors spread. And article number 5, Amazon is preparing to accept cryptocurrency. All right. So before we get into the articles, I just want to say thank you so much for all my listeners so far. I'd like to say thank you if you're listening on the podcast, especially on Apple, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. It gives me a lot of joy, and it gives me a lot of motivation to keep on giving you these crypto takes and updates. Remember, these are unbiased news and updates, so some of the articles will be for cryptocurrency and some will be against cryptocurrency. So I just want you to get as much education, as much information as you can possibly get before investing, or if you just want to just watch it from the sidelines. If you want to watch the YouTube version, it is again Dave's Daily Crypto Take. And if you can, just like, share, and subscribe to help out the channel. All right, let's keep on going. Article number 1, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin bounce back, but these minor coins are striking biggest gains. So major cryptocurrencies traded in the green on Sunday evening as the global cryptocurrency market cap rose 3.17% to $1.44 trillion. So what happened? Bitcoin traded at 4.74% higher at $35,785.55 over 24 hours. The apex cryptocurrency was up 13.03% over a 7-day trailing period. Ethereum was up 2.78% at $2,299.87 over 24 hours. For the week, ETH traded 17.84% higher. Dogecoin was up 2.08% at 20 cents. Over a 7-day period, Doge traded 10.17% higher. The Shiba Inu themed cryptocurrency traded 2.53% lower against BTC and 0.34% lower against ETH over 24 hours. So the digital collateral token, AMP, was the top gainer on Sunday night among the list of 100 coins organized by CoinMarketCap. Over 24 hours, the cryptocurrency shot up 21.67% to 0.0614 at press time. AMP traded 16.17% higher against BTC and 18.78% against ETH. For the week, AMP traded 35.3% higher. Wow. Other notable gainers over 24 hours included Quant, the 2 tokens of the Theta project, Theta Fuel and Theta, and Algorand. QNT was up 17.07% at $97.01. T-Fuel and Theta rose 15.31% and 17.72% to 38 cents and $6.51. while Algo was in the green by 9.82% at 90 cents in the period. So, why it matters. On Sunday, London-based City AM reported, citing an Amazon.com Inc. insider, that the e-commerce giant is looking to accept BTC by the end of the year. Amazon's Bitcoin push involves top management, as per the City AM source, who said, "This is the key first stage of the crypto project, and the directive is coming from the very top, Jeff Bezos himself." While Amazon's Bitcoin buzz was set in motion thanks to a job posting, a similar vacancy was advertised by the e-commerce behemoth last month as well. In June, Apple Inc. was also headhunting for a business development manager with experience in cryptocurrency to lead alternative payments partnerships. Not only are technology giants looking to hire experts in private cryptocurrencies, but the emerging central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are also on the horizon, which is driving demand for blockchain talent. As per a self-described nonpartisan organization, the Atlantic Council, 81 countries are in the process of studying opportunities and challenges surrounding CBDCs, while 5 are fully implementing digital versions of their national currencies, Cointelegraph reported. With over 90% of global gross domestic product, major nations and territories such as China, Europe, the United States, Japan, and the United Kingdom are looking into CBDCs. The US is reportedly the farthest in terms of CBDC development, as per the Council. So when we take a look at this, look at the title. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin bounce back, but these minor coins are striking biggest gains. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the gains, because we've seen a lot of green in the past 2 days. So hopefully we can keep continuing this trend for all the hodlers that have been keeping and holding their bags. All right, let's take a look at Article 2. Uniswap, we have taken the decision to restrict access to certain tokens. So, the prominent decentralized exchange, Uniswap, has disclosed a list of tokens it will be discontinuing on its app interface. According to the official announcement, the tokens will only be removed from its app interface and the protocol will remain immutable. It stated, quote, "Today, consistent with actions taken by other DeFi interfaces, we have taken the decision to restrict access to certain tokens through app.uniswap.org." Uniswap further added that, similarly, this action has no impact on the Uniswap interface code, which remains open source, or the many other protocols or locally run instances used to access the Uniswap protocol. Among the list of tokens being delisted from the application interface includes Gold-backed token and Tether Gold. However, founder of Uniswap, Hayden Adams, attributed the removal of XAuth to its buggy code. The delisting of the bulk tokens followed actions by U.S. regulators in the state of Alabama and New Jersey. The U.S. regulator recently announced to increasingly scrutinize these types of products, which is what Uniswap cited as evolving regulatory landscape as a reason for this decision. Consistent with its actions taken by other DeFi interfaces, we have taken the decision to restrict access to certain tokens through app.uniswap.org. In fact, Uniswap was not the only crypto business spooked by the law enforcement latest actions. Binance gained familiarity with the world regulators' demands over the past month. However, unlike Binance, Uniswap was a decentralized exchange. Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler noted in a speech that stock tokens on both centralized and decentralized platforms would need registration with the regulators. We may see more actions from the exchanges and other businesses in order to comply with the changing laws, especially in the US. So there you guys have it. Uniswap, we have taken a decision to restrict access to certain tokens. Wow, on the app.uniswap.org, what do you guys think about it? Do you think they have valid reasons, or do you think they're just trying to protect themselves? Comment down below and let me know what you think. All right, let's take a look at Article 3. One of China's first Bitcoin moguls thinks Chinese crypto trading will soon be a thing of the past. So, China's crackdown on cryptocurrencies will probably intensify and may even lead to an outright ban on holding the tokens, according to Bobby Lee, one of the country's first Bitcoin moguls. Lee knows what it's like to be on the wrong side of Beijing. He sold BTC China, the nation's first Bitcoin exchange, at one point the second biggest worldwide in the aftermath of a crackdown in 2017. China has launched a new campaign against cryptocurrencies this year, taking action against miners and imposing curbs on crypto banking services and trading. The moves have fueled Bitcoin's drop to about half its mid April record, near $65,000. The next thing they could do, the final straw, would be something like banning cryptocurrency altogether. Lee said in an interview at his office in a WeWork space in downtown Shanghai, without elaborating on how a ban might be enforced, I put it at odds of 50-50. Lee recently returned to China after spending time in the US and publishing a book, The Promise of Bitcoin. He's now focused on his latest venture, Ballet Global Inc., which produces a hardware wallet that stores cryptocurrencies. Lee is still a Bitcoin bull, predicting it could end this year around $250,000 and reach $1 million by 2025. He declined to disclose his Bitcoin holdings. The government realized that in order to achieve financial stability, they don't want to see an unregulated, volatile financial product that's being traded, used, and invested by the Chinese population. China actually didn't bother to differentiate green, renewable energy powered by Bitcoin mining facilities versus the dirty coal powered ones. So to me, that's a sign that it wasn't about cleanliness of the mining, but rather it is more of a higher level sort of perspective about financial stability for the country. I think there's a few more things they could do. China knows that it still has many companies, exchanges operating in China, so the government could kick them out. I heard rumors that they might be doing that soon, if not already. The final straw would be something like banning cryptocurrency altogether. We've heard over the years that China has banned Bitcoin. Technically, that's not true. Even today, in July of 2021, Bitcoin is legal to own. You're allowed to buy it, sell it to your friends or strangers. However, it's just that you can't do it through a platform or business because all those businesses, all those platforms have been shut down. When Bitcoin goes to 500,000, $1 million, China might ban Bitcoin altogether when people are no longer allowed to hold it. And that's going to be a lot of selling pressure on Bitcoin at that time. I put the odds at 50-50. If they have special capital equipment, they should sell that because it's going to be worth less over time. I know many people are exporting these machines. North America has a big appetite for mining machines due to heavy and have a lot of space, a lot of cheap electricity, and a lot of investors who want to put up their money for this hardware. The China market for Bitcoin has always been important, but going forward, it's going to be less and less important. China, just like many of the Asian countries, has always had a population that's very much into investing in volatile assets. And that's why Bitcoin has been very popular. I think there will be a few more announcements coming up in the next few months that will really stop all the exchanges in their tracks in China. So, unfortunately, trading crypto will be a thing of the past once you get past this year. And in a way, it's a good thing for crypto because in my heart, I always knew that Bitcoin's success never depended on China, just like it doesn't depend on any one country, any one group of people. The central bank digital currency version of RMB is not real competition against what we call traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The digital yuan is really an evolution of the existing fiat money used in China for the most part. I don't think the regulatory agency's perspective about Bitcoin is caused by the upcoming digital RMB. I don't officially give financial advice, but personally, I'm confident that the latter half of this year, Bitcoin will go back above $65,000. I think it will peak out over $250,000 later this year. Next year will be a bear market cycle, so we'll see Bitcoin fall back down 50 to 80% from the all-time high. I think Bitcoin will have its bull cycle every 3 or 4 years in the coming next years. I expect Bitcoin to pass a million, $2 million easily in the next 10 to 15 years. In fact, the next cycle I predict to be in the year 2024 or 2025, and that's when Bitcoin will cross $500,000 and might even touch a million. Two topics are very hot. There's decentralized finance or DeFi that started last year, and now the topic of non-fungible tokens or NFTs. I personally think they're both more hype. I think this year will be the bull market coming up. The hype will get stronger. I think they'll rest in peace next year or the year after. We support DeFi and we support NFTs, so I'm happy to be on the bandwagon for both of these. So there you guys have it. It says one of China's first Bitcoin moguls thinks Chinese crypto trading will soon be a thing of the past. Comment down below if you agree with him and his statement, or you think that no, China will do a reverse and accept Bitcoin in the next few years. All right. So I just want to take a break right now and just say thank you so much. I've been looking at the analytics and I've seen some listeners all the way in America as well as in South America. I see a lot of South American interest as well as in Asia and also in Europe. So thank you so much for all my listeners. If you'd like to hear something more specific, just comment down below or send me a DM and I'll try my best to give you some unbiased news around that topic or request. If you're in the YouTube space, please like, share, and subscribe. It does help the channel. And if you think there are any friends or family that are interested in cryptocurrency, please send them my link and my channel so that they can get some unbiased news. All right. So thank you so much for all your help. All right. Let's keep on going to the round 2, Article 4. Bitcoin and Ether climb to recent price peaks as Amazon crypto rumors spread. Cryptocurrencies popped to the top of the recent ranges on Monday as short sellers bailed out in the wake of a strong week, and while traders hoped a handful of positive comments from influential investors might signal a turnaround in fragile sentiment. Bitcoin rose as far as 12.5% to hit $39,850, its highest since mid-June during the Asia session, while Ether hit a 3-week peak of $2,344 on the heels of Bitcoin's best week in almost 3 months. The move put the squeeze on short sellers. Last week, cryptocurrency enthusiast and Tesla boss Elon Musk said the car maker would likely resume accepting Bitcoin once it conducts due diligence on its energy use. It had suspended such payments in May, contributing to a sharp crypto sell-off. Twitter boss Jack Dorsey also said that last week the digital currency is a big part of the social media firm's future. And on Sunday, London City AM newspaper reported, citing an unnamed insider, that Amazon is looking to accept Bitcoin payments by year's end. Brokers said that taken together, the remarks were enough to finally lift the market from the floor of support where it had held steady since May plunge, while data also pointed to heavy short seller liquidations, suggesting many might have given up. Over the last 5 trading sessions, we've seen general near-term bullishness in the market, driven by key technicals as well as recent positive comments, said Ryan Rabagalia, a global head of trading at digital asset platform OSL. With a record $1.2 billion in shorts liquidated over the past 24 hours, the outlook and momentum for the week ahead is positive, he said. So, what do you guys think about the rumors? Bitcoin and Ether climbed to recent price peaks as Amazon crypto rumors spread. Comment down below and let me know what you think about Amazon and crypto. Do you think they're a good mix or do you think not? Okay, speaking of Amazon, let's take a look at the main topic for today. Amazon is preparing to accept cryptocurrency. The company is looking to hire a digital currency and blockchain product lead. So Amazon doesn't allow you to pay for orders using cryptocurrency. There are ways around that, but they won't be necessary for much longer as the company has confirmed it is gearing up to accept cryptocurrency as a valid form of payment. As Tom Hardware's reports, the first sign this shift is happening was spotted via a new job listing. Amazon is looking to hire a digital currency and blockchain product lead who will be tasked with using their domain expertise in blockchain, distributed ledger, central bank digital currencies, and cryptocurrency to develop the case for the capabilities which should be developed, drive overall vision and product strategy, and gain leadership buy-in and investment for new capabilities. It sounds like Amazon is thinking about adding a pay with Bitcoin option to its shopping cart. And Business Insider managed to confirm that Amazon is preparing to introduce cryptocurrency support, with a spokesperson saying, "We are inspired by the innovation happening in the cryptocurrency space and are exploring what this could look like on Amazon. We believe the future will be built on new technologies and enable modern, fast and inexpensive payments and hope to bring that the future to Amazon customers as soon as possible. It's unclear how quickly this could happen. With cryptocurrencies, Amazon will decide to accept or if there will be any limits on how and when the cryptocurrency can be used. That's clearly going to be the job of the product lead to figure out when Amazon finds the right person. The FTC has recently warned consumers to be careful due to how many cryptocurrency scams there are. While Malaysia is busy destroying Bitcoin mining rigs using a steamroller, clearly we are still in the very early days of crypto. But Amazon's support could go a long way towards making everyone take it more seriously. So there you guys have it. Amazon is preparing to accept cryptocurrency. Comment down below if you are either one, an Amazon user, two, if you pay for Amazon purchases using a credit card like Visa or MasterCard, or number three, do you think that Amazon is going to accept cryptocurrency payments in the next year or in the next 5 years? Comment down below and let me know what your prediction is. All right. So let's take a look at the charts one more time before we leave. We got at number one, BTC is at $38,688. Ethereum at $2,351. Tether at number three, $1. Binance Coin number four, $320. Cardano, $1.35. XRP, 66 cents. Dogecoin, 22 cents. USD Coin, $1. Polkadot, $14.89. And last but not least, Binance USD, $1. So there you guys have it. Thank you so much for listening to this far. If you're in the podcast space, again, please check me out on Apple, Spotify, or Google Podcast. You can check me out on either iOS or on Android. If you're on the YouTube space, Dave's Daily Crypto Take. And if you are there, please like, share, and subscribe because it will help the algorithm and it will get more exposure to people that are interested in cryptocurrency, fiat, and also digital currencies. So again, thank you so much for all your support. Please check me out in the next one. I'll be doing a daily take, and this week should be interesting as there's been a lot of green in the charts. So hopefully that trend can continue. All right. Please have a good day. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.